Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, coming from a very, very rainy and wet Pennsylvania. And yeah, before I pick the winners, I'll tell you, this little cloud, I had a whole different way to announce the winners of my quilt kit, as you know. I'll get to that in a moment, but I was going to have Maxwell and Ian come in and make a big song and dance about it. We had a little bit of a disaster. We live in a home that's almost 120 years old, as you know, and this house is up on a hill, and it's been wonderful, wonderful. The basement doesn't have water in it. It goes down the road. Well, it doesn't even have a sump pump. The house doesn't even have a sump pump. The basement and then down into the attached garage has been dry as a bone. Well, you know us and water. You know us and floods. You know us. Yeah, it's not necessarily the house. Apparently the pipe from the garage, which is down below, floor out to the garden into like almost a French drain, I suppose, something like that, has collapsed and or has roots in it. We did a bit of a snake because the water was backing up into our garage, which has a cement floor. Not an awfully lot because it does have a drain, but that drain has been backing up. So Maxwell and Ian are going to, on this terrible rainy day, have to go get an electric auger, an electric snake to try to go through the pipe to break up whatever blockage. It's never backed up before. But you know us. So I did the night shift. I'm very tired. I wanted this video to be really special, but you'll understand, a little bit of a disaster. I was up from 1 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Ian had gone out and bought an emergency pump with a hose and to divert the water out of the drain. But it would run. It would be wonderful. It would run for several minutes and drain the water from the floor of the garage out the garage door, down the lane where you've seen me walk, but then it would just suck up nothing, and so we'd have to turn it off, but it would fill up quickly again. So we need a more permanent solution. So Ian and Maxwell are doing that. So please forgive me for not having balloons and you know, a great big fanfare, but I did select winners, or I didn't, to make it fair. There was almost 450 comments. Your name and where you live, and as you know, I'm going to be selecting one in the United States of America, the 50 states, and then the Fabric Hut has generously said that they are going to ship worldwide, international. So there are 2 winners for the quilt kit that you have seen before. I don't know where it is. I have it ready here to send to you in America, and I will be getting in touch with the Fabric Hut with information for my worldwide winner. Now, I didn't, because I had gotten over 450 entrants, as it were, name and place where you live, I went on YouTube random contest winner. It picks it automatically. You put in the information from your YouTube channel, and it does a random job. So randomly, drum roll, for America, I am going to be sending a kit to Holly in South Dakota. Holly in South Dakota, you are going to be getting a quilt kit. It's called the Floral Harmony kit from the Fabric Hut. So I will be sending that out to you. What I will be doing is I will be leaving you a message on your comment, because that's all you had put, Holly from South Dakota, to get all of your information in private emails back and forth so I can get the kit out to you as soon as possible. So congratulations, Holly. And then international, I will be getting in touch with the Fabric Hut to send to Jacqueline Sanderson in Perth, West Australia. So congratulations, Jacqueline Sanderson in Perth, West Australia. YouTube has picked you guys. I wish I could have sent you all, every single one of you who were so kind and who's so appreciative of both myself and the Fabric Hut for being generous in them supplying the kits. Just so lovely. And that, again, that was the iris quilt that I made, the pattern, and the kit is called the Floral Harmony from the Fabric Hut. So Holly in South Dakota and Jacqueline in Perth, West Australia, you have won the kits. And again, over 450 comments of people who are anxious. So it's 1 in a 450 chance. That's pretty good odds. But the fair contest picker has chosen these winners. So Holly and Jacqueline, thank you so much. So again, I wanted to make it a little bit of a more special. Maxwell and Ian are up to their eyeballs in water and trying to figure out this problem and sort it out. So we don't have a repeat. Rain, go away. Don't like the rain. But anyway, so I'm a little bit nervous and I'm a little bit tired because, as I said, I did the night shift to try to keep the water at bay. Boy, oh boy. Anyway, so Holly and Jacqueline will be getting in touch with you. And again, thank you, everybody. I will be back with my my little Dresden plate wall hanging. I'm finishing that up. I have 1 or 2 more videos for that one. I'll be putting that one up very soon, so please stay tuned and watch how I quilt my little wall hanging. And also I have a little prototype of my next project that I'm going to be doing, that I hope all of you lovely people who have commented will continue to watch me and watch what I do. And again, I appreciate it, everybody. Thank you so very much. And yeah, love from the Trueloves. Congratulations, Holly and Jacqueline.